heart of nature, where adaptation is key, the chameleon stands out as a true marvel of evolution. Chameleons are famous for their ability to change color. This incredible adaptation helps them communicate, regulate body temperature, and blend into their surroundings, making them masters of camouflage. But there's more to this creature than just its shifting colors. Look closely at its eyes. Each one can move independently, giving the chameleon a 360-degree view of its environment. This unique trait allows it to spot predators